What is up, folks? We got a big heavy week ahead of us, so I just want to do a really quick video here to kind of just showcase the biggest differences between a global shutter versus a rolling shutter. Because, you know, we could do all the research we want, read back and forth on all the user forums, but at the end of the day, I think it's just easier just to see like straight up examples. So I built this crazy rig right here, which is the RED Komodo in the middle, and on the right side is the Pocket 4K, on the left side is the old throwback, the GH5, and I just went outside and did some quick whip pans, just going back and forth with the traffic to get more of like a real-world sense of what a global shutter versus a rolling shutter does. But then I brought it inside and did some cool things with a fan and our little ukulele. You'll notice there's quite a bit of dust on that ukulele. It kind of sits on the wall more than we play it nowadays, but I thought it'd be really cool to look and see what happens in this test. So here it is, enjoy, and for all of my Patreon people, look out over there because we got lots of stuff to break down. There's some big projects. We went on some location scouts this week and a lot of fun stuff happening over there on the Dog Times Patreon, so we'll see you guys over on the Discord, okay? And stay tuned because later in the week here on YouTube we're dropping something pretty big and I hope a lot of you will find it